The Wireless Egg Node, by ORKA Food Technology. Replacing batteries. When you need to replace batteries in the egg, open the egg to expose the batteries. Use the screwdriver to loosen the screw at the bottom of the egg. Carefully pull the electronics and batteries out of the egg. And locate 3 screws on the top. Loosen these 3 screws just a little bit, you don't need to remove them entirely. Just enough to pull the batteries out and place new ones in. Once the new batteries are in place, tighten those 3 screws back down. And put the entire electronics compartment back into the egg. And rotate the bottom screw to secure it. Now, close the egg, and you are all set. For more details about replacing batteries, please refer to page 5 of the user manual.